The Tesla Model S has altered the way we see electric autos and is to some extent in charge of the new influx of every electric vehicle that are currently achieving the market. Of the considerable number of variations, the range-topping subsidiaries have done the most to persuade customers that the inward-burning motor has met its match. The P100D is the most recent such model, and as is normally the case, YouTube is flooded with no-holds-barred examinations with pretty much whatever else out and about. This is no biddy trap horse, however. Steady updates and changes have seen the Model S form into a proficient extravagance vehicle, and the P100D comes pressed with cutting-edge highlights. The Lodge is a blend of current, moderate outline. The extensive 17-inch touchscreen controls pretty much every capacity on the auto, and the mainstaying physical catches are to be found on the controlling wheel. On account of a battery pack that broadens the length of the undercarriage, there is a great deal of room inside, and 5 grown-ups will fit easily. A discretionary third column offering 2 littler seats is accessible, while an official 4-seat choice can likewise be determined, which confines the back seats to 2 extremely sumptuous seats. While inside material quality isn't up to the best adversaries in this value go, the accessibility of different premium inside completions on the P100D elevates the extravagance levels over the base Model S. The back trunk is roomy or more normal in measure. Foldable back seats take into consideration a vast load territory, and there is as yet the front trunk, or frunk as Tesla get a kick out of the chance to call it, for extra storage room. The controlling is useful for an all-electric setup, and the brakes offer great feel and movement. Air suspension is standard and the ride is firm, however agreeable on most surfaces, albeit bigger knocks and edges taken at speed can disrupt the self-control of the auto. The Lodge is all around protected, and other than some tire thunder and the odd electric drivetrain cry, there is almost no commotion to be heard at pretty much any speed. The P100D highlights a 100 kWh battery and an electric engine at every hub. It offers a 315-mile go under perfect conditions and comes furnished with the ludicrous speed upgrade. The oft-cited 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 2.5 seconds makes this the fastest quickening 4-entryway car on the planet. Accomplishing this number in reality isn't exactly as simple as you may think, as the battery should be about full and at the right temperature, which can take a while. Utilizing the dispatch mode will likewise seriously abbreviate the accessible range. In any case, there is no denying that even a poorly arranged P100D will see off most games autos without much inconvenience, and the seemingly more significant overwhelming figures are considerably more amazing. Top speed is a scholarly 155 miles per hour, and keeping in mind that increasing speed decreases as rates ascend, at any lawful speeds the P100D rules. The P100D comes pressed with pretty much all the standard and accessible highlights on offer, and remarkable things incorporate LED headlights, 17-inch touchscreen with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi availability and HD radio. However, no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, route framework, control liftgate, self-showing entryway handles and keyless section. The Sub-Zero weather package highlighting warming for all seats. The controlling haggle washer liquid is standard as well. Well-being gadgets incorporate blind side cautioning, programmed crisis braking, rear-view camera, path takeoff cautioning and stopping sensors. The premium package is standard on this model and includes a therapeutic review air filtration framework and 11-speaker custom sound framework. The enhanced autopilot alternative is likewise standard and offers 4 driving help cameras, up from 1 on standard models, and 12 ultrasonic sensors which take into account self-stopping and basically self-governing roadway driving. The accessible full self-driving capability package expands the camera framework to 8 units and guarantees full independence, albeit a portion of the highlights will be influenced accessible as directions to permit. A carbon fiber spoiler and back confronting seats are other accessible alternatives. Some portion of the standard bundle are over-the-air programming refreshes, continuous route data, 400 kilowatt-hours of free yearly supercharger credits and a 8-year unending mile battery guarantee.